In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Cloudflare's SSL certificate. This process will walk you through the steps necessary to secure your website with SSL, enhancing both its security and trustworthiness. So let's dive in and get started. First, you'll want to make your way to the Cloudflare dashboard. This is your main hub for managing your website's security settings and configurations. Start by navigating to the home page of Cloudflare. You can do this by logging into your Cloudflare account, which will bring you to the dashboard that lists all your domains. Once you're there, you'll want to look for the tab labeled Domains, which is where we'll be working from today. It's usually easy to find on the top navigation bar. From the Domain section, locate the specific domain name that you want to secure with an SSL certificate. It's important that you select the correct domain for configuration to avoid any missteps in the setup process. Once you've identified and clicked on your chosen domain, you'll be directed to a page with various features and options. Here, locate the SSL TLS tab. This is your go-to section for managing all SSL-related settings and configurations on Cloudflare. Once inside the SSL TLS section, you should see an option named Origin Server. Clicking on this will bring up Cloudflare's interface for managing Origin certificate settings. Within this interface, look for the Create Certificate button. By clicking this button, you're beginning the actual process of generating a new SSL certificate for your domain. Cloudflare gives you the option to generate a private key and a certificate signing request, or CSR, right from their interface. This is a convenient feature because it simplifies the task of creating these essential components for your SSL certificate. You'll be prompted with options for generating this information, and it's crucial to follow the prompts accurately. The next step involves choosing the validity period for your certificate. Cloudflare will offer you a range of time frames from which you can select an appropriate duration based on your needs. Consider how long you want your certificate to remain active before needing renewal, and choose accordingly. After inputting all the required information and making your selections, you'll see the Create button available. Clicking this will finalize the process, prompting Cloudflare to produce and deliver your new SSL certificate along with its associated private key and CSR. At this point, your certificate is ready to be downloaded and installed on your web server. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated the process of using Cloudflare's SSL certificate. By implementing SSL, you've taken an essential step in securing your website, ensuring data integrity, and building trust with your users. If you follow these steps, your website will be more secure and you'll have the peace of mind that comes with it. Thanks for watching and happy securing.